So the number one complaint I get most often is, why are the shipping costs so outrageous? Fact of the matter is, the longer the panels, the bigger the crate. But there's ways that we can make it a little bit easier, because unfortunately it can't be sent via UPS ground or FedEx. It has to be sent via crate and freight. So it's really important to keep that in mind before you place the order. Is, how am I going to get this crate off? If you have the ability to unload the crate on your end, you don't need any kind of ground assistance. That's where we have these different options. If your project requires 6-foot sheets rather than 12-foot sheets, we can have them cut down to the 6-foot, and it'll lower the cost of shipping versus the 12-foot. If you have anything that is 8 feet or below crate wise, it can be sent with a lift gate. If you have anything above 8 feet, you can either have a forklift or a tractor with forks or something like that on site, or we can schedule to have a flatbed forklift for the delivery, and they will help lower the crate to the ground and put it where you need it to go. The other option would be to pick it up at our store or at our manufacturer. We're pretty upfront about the fact that our prices are as low as they can be, and then this is the cost of shipping, versus, oh, shipping's lower but the cost of the poly is higher. That's just not how we do it. So if you have any issues with shipping or you think it's absolutely crazy, just let me know at info@polycarbonatestore.com or give me a call, and then I can directly do the quote from my end. I'm happy to help.